Hello and welcome to Learn English with Tangmation. Today's topic is possessive nouns with apostrophe. Is it Jess or Jesses? Or is it computer's keyboard or computer keyboard? You will find out in this video. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's go. In this video, we will answer 3 questions. What are possessive nouns? What are they used for? And how to use them correctly. Okay, so what are the possessive nouns? Possessive nouns are a grammatical construction to indicate ownership. William's bicycle, or to indicate relation. William's sister. Okay, so far it's easy. It looks like we just have to add apostrophe S, and that's it. Unfortunately, it is not that easy as there are some more rules to follow. What are the rules to follow when forming possessive nouns? Let's have a look. Rule number 1. If the word is a singular noun, then we simply add apostrophe S at the end. For example, John's dog is intelligent. Rule number 2. If the singular noun ends in S, then you only add the apostrophe. For example, Jess's cat is fluffy. The S after the apostrophe is invisible, which means that you will still have to pronounce it at the end. Jess's cat. Note that some textbooks also allow for apostrophe S, so our example would be Jess's cat. We prefer it without the S. Rule number 3. If the word is a plural noun, then we just add the apostrophe and we never add the S. For example, my parents' car was expensive. We don't pronounce the S at the end with plural noun, so to say my parents' car would be incorrect. Rule number 4. If the word is an irregular plural noun, a noun that doesn't end in S, like children or people, then we use the rule number 1. Just add the apostrophe S. For example, children's toys are all over the floor. Rule number 5. There are situations where we don't have to repeat a noun for the second time. Let's see an example. We could say, I found Jack's car keys, but I can't find Peter's car keys. The sentence sounds a bit strange, don't you think? It's better to say, I found Jack's car keys, but I can't find Peter's. As you can see, as long as you are talking about a similar thing, then you don't have to repeat the noun again. Rule number 6. If a thing belongs to more than one person, then we need to remember that we add the apostrophe S to the last owner. For example, Jack and Mary's car, not Jack's and Mary's car. This would be incorrect. Rule number 7. If 2 or more people own a similar thing, but they don't own them together, then we add the apostrophe S to both of their names. For example, Mary's and Kate's cats. This means that they each own a cat separately. Okay, and now let's see some additional rules for when we don't add an apostrophe to show ownership. Rule number 1. We don't add an apostrophe to possessive adjectives like my, your, his, her, its, etc. The possessive adjectives are already possessive. They don't need the apostrophe. If you add an apostrophe to a possessive adjective, then it will change its meaning. Let's see an example. This is a dog and its toy. This is a correct sentence. It means that there is a dog and the toy next to it belongs to the dog. This is a dog and its toy. This is an incorrect sentence. It's with an apostrophe means it is. So the whole sentence would read, this is a dog and it is toy. As you can see, this doesn't sound right. And rule number 2, we don't add apostrophe s to inanimate objects, as objects can't own anything. Here are some examples. Table's top, our computer's camera. These phrases are both wrong. It should rather be tabletop and computer camera. No apostrophe s. Okay, so today's topic was possessive nouns with apostrophe. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you see our YouTube channel to learn more about the English grammar, and don't forget to subscribe. So, until the next time.